Hello everyone, we have here a simulation for the step function of the hexapod robot. Here we can see the simulations that I've created for the forward and inverse kinematics. I combine it here to create a parametric path for the step of the robot. Here we have some variables to change, like the step direction, the step power. If you use a higher value, it goes like more strength going up and going down. You can see now it's really strong, and if we put a lower value, it will go slowly up and slowly down. Okay, and also with this we can adjust the length of the step, if we want a shorter one or a larger one. Okay, and this is pretty much everything. You have it as always public. If you want to play with it, feel free.